In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Sheets and sort a column from A to Z. Alphabetizing data can significantly improve the organization and readability of your spreadsheets, making it easier to find and analyze information. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you feel confident about handling your data efficiently. First things first, make sure you have Google Sheets open. You can create a new spreadsheet by going to Google Drive and selecting New, then Google Sheets, or simply navigate to an existing sheet that you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to review the data you have and identify which column you wish to sort. Organizing your data beforehand will help you ensure there are no disruptions during the sorting process. After deciding which column you want to alphabetize, select the range of cells you want to sort. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired cells. If you want to sort the entire column, click on the letter header at the top of the column. This step is crucial because it tells Google Sheets precisely which data you intend to organize. Now that you've highlighted your data, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Data option. You'll see a drop-down menu with several sorting options. Google Sheets offers flexibility, and finding the correct option is key to a successful sort. Carefully scan through these options to ensure you're making the right choice for your data. The next step is to click on Sort Range from the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box providing you with sorting preferences. Here, Google Sheets will display the columns of your selected data range. Make sure you choose the correct column you wish to alphabetize. For example, if you're sorting the data in column B, you'll select Sort Range by column B. Once you've done that, ensure the sorting order is set to A to Z. This means your data will be arranged in ascending order alphabetically, starting with the letter A and progressing to Z. Double-check your selection to avoid any mix-ups, as sorting errors can sometimes go unnoticed until later. Finally, click Sort, and Google Sheets will organize your selected range accordingly. Take a moment to review your newly sorted data to ensure everything is in order. Alphabetizing a column can help make your sheet more understandable and accessible, whether you're managing small to-do lists or extensive datasets. And there you have it. You've successfully alphabetized your column in Google Sheets. This skill is not only practical, but an essential part of effective data management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this.